welcome to Luxury Car, where today we'll dive into the exterior design, performance, and history of the 2025 Honda Civic, a car that blends sleekness, functionality, and innovation, making it a standout in its segment. The 2025 Honda Civic continues the legacy of one of the most popular compact cars in the world, bringing a fresh yet familiar look to its already impressive reputation. With its aerodynamic lines, sporty stance, and sharp features, the exterior design of this model is meant to turn heads while offering improved efficiency and handling. Up front, the 2025 Civic features a wide, aggressive grille, complemented by slimmer, angular LED headlights that give the car a more futuristic and dynamic appearance. The bold grille design enhances the car's presence on the road, while the headlights provide an updated, sleek look, paired with daytime running lights that further emphasize its modern aesthetic. On the side, the 2025 Civic's body features sculpted sides that flow seamlessly from the front to the rear, contributing to its sporty profile. The car sits lower to the ground compared to previous models, giving it a more athletic stance. This not only improves its handling but also makes it look more refined and performance-focused. Larger wheels are also an option, and they complement the sharp body lines beautifully, adding to the car's bold design. As we move to the rear, the 2025 Honda Civic continues to impress, with a new tailgate design that integrates seamlessly into the body. The rear bumper is more sculpted, and the taillights are now wider and sleeker, giving the car a wider, more planted look. These redesigned taillights feature a horizontal design with LED elements that make the Civic instantly recognizable from a distance. One of the key changes for the 2025 model is its improved aerodynamics. Honda has engineered this car to be as efficient as possible. The smooth, sloping roofline reduces drag, while the front and rear bumpers have been carefully designed to improve airflow. This means the Civic doesn't just look fast, it performs efficiently, too. The 2025 Honda Civic also offers a variety of exterior color options, including some striking new shades, giving buyers the chance to truly personalize their vehicle. Colors like Rally Red, Meteorite Gray, and Sonic Gray Pearl are just some of the exciting choices. These vibrant hues are designed to accentuate the Civic's sleek curves and sharp lines. The exterior features of the 2025 Honda Civic also extend to its wheels, with a choice of alloy wheels in various sizes. These wheels are designed to enhance the car's performance, adding to its stability while also boosting its overall visual appeal. In terms of safety, the 2025 Honda Civic comes equipped with an updated set of features, including new side mirrors designed to reduce wind noise and improve aerodynamics. The car also includes Honda's innovative lane keeping assist and adaptive cruise control, which work together to keep you safe and comfortable while driving. The 2025 Civic stands as a testament to Honda's commitment to combining design, performance, and technology. This car is more than just a commuter vehicle, it's a statement of sophistication and efficiency. With its revamped exterior, the Civic sets a new standard for compact cars, offering a blend of innovation, style, and practicality. That's it for our look at the 2025 Honda Civic's exterior. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews of luxury cars. Thanks for watching Luxury Car, and we'll see you next time.